got to make some comments on writing about Title IV. It's really up to Bessie. Do you see Bessie making any changes from the course that the state's on right now on Common Core?
We're in the middle of a very long and gradual transition. This is a transition that was started under Superintendent Pasquarelli. As I said, I think it's a generational shift. It's a long shift. It's a gradual shift. Slowly we're putting pieces in place. We put Compass into place this year. Have the teacher leaders and some of the curricular changes this year. The tests are getting more difficult. But what we'll see is that, for example, the letter grade this year, as evidenced by the great successes around the F schools in Baton Rouge, the letter grades are not harsher on people. We're not putting harsher judgments, but we are slowly increasing the level of rigor. That's a long-term shift that I think Bessie is committed to staying on. Certainly we are committed to staying on. And by the way, I would say that if you really look back at the history, I apologize, if you really look back at the history, this is not something that was started under me or something that started under the governor. This was something that started years ago under Governor Foster when the move went to standards and standardized tests. So it's a natural evolution. The key thing is that you don't have happen what I fear is maybe happening in some other places, which all of a sudden everybody says, well, see, the kids aren't ready. See, the teachers haven't been doing their jobs. The teachers have been doing their jobs. The kids have been seeing better results. We're just raising our bar to keep Louisiana's kids on a level playing field.